and boring? It's definitely not about us, because we have so many funny things to do this summer. Make flamingo ice cream, a bunch of Chupa Chups, or a palm leaf umbrella, and break open a pinata. Watch these and other great ideas in our new summer video. Is it way too hot in this world? Hurry up and hide under my eco-friendly palm leaf umbrella. We will need an umbrella frame. Attach artificial palm leaves to the ribs. Cover the entire umbrella in this way. It's a great idea to get a palm leaf umbrella on such a hot day. It's an awesome sample of a new tropical collection. We'll be protected from sun rays under the palm leaves of the umbrella. Nature protects us. Redhead is painting outdoors. She creates a new collection of clothes. Is she measuring proportions? Or just spinning a brush in her hand and pretending to look busy? Let's measure the size of the model's head. Excellent! Dolly is sure that her friend is painting her portrait. But why does she need a carton of eggs then? Make 2 holes on the opposite sides of an egg. Make one hole a bit bigger. Use a toothpick to mix everything inside and take out the contents with a syringe. Prepare a few eggs in this way. Hot glue the smaller hole. Add some water to acrylic paints of different colors. Fill the syringe with it and pour it into the eggshell. Hot glue the rest of the holes. Redhead aims an egg at her friend. Hey, is it a new painting technique? But all the eggs fly directly to the painted t-shirt. This is what we call expressionism. The same print appears on Dolly's t-shirt all of a sudden. It's so amazing! Redhead is a true born designer. It's scorching! Will we arrange a flower photo shoot? No way! We are sick and tired of these flower pictures. What are we going to do then? We are in urgent need of fresh ideas. Let's eat something nutritious. Maybe then some idea will come to my mind. Dolly brings ice cream. By the way, this is an idea. Let's arrange an ice cream photo shoot. Blow up small balloons. Attach double-sided tape across the edge of a printed wafer pattern base. Make a cone. Cut off the excess. Attach gathered pleats of tissue paper to the edge of the cone and tape a balloon into the cone. Decorate it with colored strips of tissue paper, imitating sprinkles. Redhead tries to bite a piece of the balloon ice cream. Oops! It seems that the weird ice cream has just popped. But Dolly is unstoppable. A giant cone comes onto Redhead from above. Watch out! Draw squares on a big beige paper piece. Make it look like a wafer pattern. Roll it to make a giant cone. Cut off the excess. Attach colored tissue paper gathered in pleats. Blow up a big pink balloon. Attach it into the cone. Decorate the balloon ice cream with strips of colored tissue paper. The photo shoot will be amazing! The balloon ice cream looks great in shots. Choose a giant or small one. Smile and scream ice cream instead of cheese. The great thing is that this ice cream will never melt. You can continue taking photos all day long. Summer is a beautiful time of the year. Amazing flowers bloom on flower beds. Something weird has bloomed in our park, too. It's a bunch of Chupa Chups. Remove wrappers from Chupa Chups and paint the sticks green. Take buds off an artificial flower bouquet and put the lollipops onto the stalks. Hot glue. Tie up the bouquet with ribbon. A bunch of lollipops has grown in a garden. The blue-eyed girl tastes the lollipop. Real flowers are not as delicious as these lollipops, and Dolly just picks one lollipop from the bouquet. These lollipop flowers won't last long when your friends are around. Summertime boredom. What to do? The head refuses to work because of this heat. We wish we were at a tropical resort drinking a cooling cocktail. But fortune sends us only ice cream. Well, let's turn it into a DIY exotic delicacy by adding an amusing pink flamingo. Knead sugar paste with pink food coloring. Make a head and a long flamingo neck. Shape a beak with a modeling tool. Paint the flamingo with food coloring. Put a few scoops of ice cream into a wafer cone. Put in the flamingo. Decorate it with pink cotton candy on top. There is a pink cutie in my ice cream. The flamingo ice cream looks awesome. It's very exotic. I will call it the Ice Creamingo. So delicious. A present waits for Redhead. I've prepared a real candy entertainment for her. Open your eyes and get ready, because this is a pinata. Cut notebook pages into strips. Let them soak in white glue. Cover a big balloon with these strips. Attach the paper overlapping without gaps. Wait for the first layer to dry and add another paper coat. Leave a little area free of paper. Make a hanger while the balloon is drying. Bend a wire and hot glue it to a strip of thick cardboard. Make it firmer by attaching another cardboard strip on top. Hot glue it nicely. Use pliers to make a hook out of the end of the wire. Snip off the end of the balloon when the paper dries. Cut out a wide hole. Take out the balloon. Put in candies, sparkles, glitter, and tinsel. Attach the cardboard with the hook into the hole. Add a few pieces of cardboard on top to fasten it better. Cut colored tissue paper to make fringe and attach it to the outside of the paper balloon. Decorate the piñata with a funny face made out of colored paper. I cover Redhead's eyes. Wait, you've forgotten a baseball bat. Now you can go. Wait, piñata is in a different direction. Redhead with a baseball bat is a real entertainment. Better than a piñata. No one can hide from her, neither Candies nor her friend. At last, we've reached the target. Come on, lady with a baseball bat. Attack your victim. A few accurate hits and the piñata is open. All the candies are free. We just have to choose the most delicious ones. What can be more delicious than a milkshake? Only a unicorn cocktail. It consists of unicorn milk and a pinch of magic. Cover a plastic cup with light clay. Shape a unicorn head. Attach ears using toothpicks. Make a horn using a toothpick as a frame. Score a spiral pattern with a knife. Put the horn into its place. Mark eyes with a round cap. Use a modeling tool to make nostrils. Make a mane from light clay. When dry, cover the clay with white acrylic paint and paint the unicorn bright. To make a milkshake, take strawberry ice cream, a few strawberries, and a banana. Pour milk and mix it in a blender. Pour the milkshake into the cup. Squeeze whipped cream on top. Add marshmallow and decorate it with rainbow sprinkles. The unicorn cocktail is so delicious. It seems as if it says, "Drink me." It's for the real fans of fantastic creatures. Any drink will become magical in this unicorn cup. Has your friend gotten bored? It's time for a fruit snack. I will put a smile back on her face. I've prepared a special pair. Add green and yellow food coloring into sugar paste. Knead it to blend. Put yellow food coloring in the second piece of the sugar paste and add the teeniest drop of green. Join the colors. Cover an orange with the yellowish green sugar paste. Shape a pear. Make a hole for a stem on top. Make a stem from black sugar paste. Attach it into the hole using edible glue. Paint the pear with food coloring. Dolly cuts the green pear. Wow! What kind of fruit is it? An orange is inside of the pear. How did it get there? Maybe the orange was trapped by the pear and we freed it. A juicy orange is exactly what we need on a hot summer day. Did you like our summer ideas? Now you know for sure what to do in the holidays. Prepare a unicorn cocktail, blow up a giant ice cream, or color your t-shirt with colored eggs. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new summer ideas on the Troom Troom channel.